Rain Brings Weather, Daily Diary, #1. This is Brian, being introduced for the first time of the century. Hey-o! And this is our boy, the one and only, busy at work, Rodney, rockin' Rodney. This is our workshop. This is where we do most of our business. As you can see, we're very busy. Hi, I'm Dewey. First time of the century, for the first time of the century. We got a busy week ahead of us. Stingers, Tropics, Maxwell's, Christmas. Oh man, we're on fire. So stay with us, follow us. You're gonna love it. Tomorrow's video will be much better, I promise you. Rodney's been pretty busy here, actually. We want to mention.
I've been researching. I research all the hottest music. I figure out what's hot, so that we can figure out how to get hotter. And we get hotter. And hotter. Until we're explosive.
So thanks for all your support. Thanks for watching our crummy video. I think this is the final cut. It's the 4th try, and it was a good one. So we hope you enjoy. See you tomorrow. Have a great evening. Rain brings weather. Rain brings weather. Rain brings weather.
Rain brings weather. Do the other thing.
First time of the century. First one of the century. The first time of the century. First one of the century.